How to log into Roman's credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. To log in into Roman's credit card account, you may follow up this process. So what you can do is basically go to account center at Bread Financial, which is this one right here, the website. You can directly search for Roman's credit card and it will show you the following results. You can head over the first result they will be showing you on your screen, like this one right here. After you head over here, you can directly go to the account center. For that, sign in here. Look out for sign in button and tap on it. And here you will be taken to the space. Now here you need to enter up your username and password in the designated field right here in the section. Right below it, password, and tap on sign in to access your account. After you sign in, you will be basically accessing and logging in into the Romance credit card payment section directly from here. If you need to register, you can head over this register now option and go ahead and begin the registration process. And that way you can register into Romance credit card payment account as well. So this is how you basically log in into Roman's credit card account. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.